Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make money from CPA group using Instagram shoutouts. Okay, because I saw some comments in my previous video, people requesting me to do video on Instagram shoutouts. Okay, so what is Instagram shoutouts all about? Just like you paying a little money to people with with much Instagram followers on their own account, so they'll shout out your account. Let me go help you promote your account to go wide so people can notice it. Okay, and it will be good for CPA marketing, also affiliate marketing. But here we're focusing on CPA marketing, so I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to do everything. Okay, so if you really want to watch this to the end, kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the like button. Okay, and comment down your country below so I can keep posting content available in your country. Okay, and for those who are new here, you can come over and watch some of my previous video, because I do video about making money online, and I post video every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. Okay, hit this red subscribe button here and turn on the notification bell and tap on all. Okay, so you get notified of all my notification. Okay, let's go into today's topic. Okay, so at first you have to create a Instagram account around your niche. Okay, me designing everything this way. Okay, see, I design everything. Okay, I've done this in my previous video. Okay, so if you have not watched it, kindly come back here and watch. Okay, let me show you guys the two videos. Okay, that will teach you how to set everything up. First is this $100 with Instagram, and second one is how to create HQ template, because I created a content linker on CPA group using the HQ template. Okay, so then I created a blogger website. I can see blogspot.com. Okay, so I created blogspot website around the content locker. You can see I named it cash royale gems and gold generator, because that was the content locker I created. So if I tap on read more, to tell them that they can generate free Clash Royale coins and gems and gold. Sorry. So when I tap on click here to access the free generator to direct them over to my content locker, you can see is a high quality content locker. Good. So once the visitor enter the amount of gems he need and the gold, when you tap on generate now, it will ask for the username. Let me enter a random username. Okay, and let me select Android. When you tap on connect, it will write connected to server. Okay, so you doing this thing like this, person will feel, oh, this is authentic and fine. It's actually authentic, but you just have to watch those two previous videos so you can understand the full method how to set it up, because one mistake might lead you to not making any money and lead you to wasting much of your time in setting everything but will not make money. So try to watch everything to the end so you understand every part. As you can see, human verification, prove you're not a woman, because currently I'm in Nigeria and there's one or two no offers available in Nigeria, because most of are available for Europe's and people are in America like UK and US and the rest. Okay, so let me say your traffic is coming from US or any other country to show list of offer here. Then when they verify, I mean they complete an offer, they'll be directed to the main um to the next page. Okay, so if you want to know details about all this, watch those two previous video, how to create HP template and also $1 daily with Instagram. Okay, so after setting up your Instagram account this way, okay, what you have to do is come over to this website called shoutcart.com. Okay, this is the website we'll be getting the shout out from. Okay, so it's very simple. You register. When you register, you send a verification email to your mail, you verify. Okay, currently I'm logged in. This is a fresh account. Okay, so what you have to do, you tap on this search and you brought over to this page here. brought over to this page. Okay, so there are list of different social media. Okay, there's Instagram, IG story, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and rest. Okay, so what I want to do here is I'll at first untick all, then to reload, because currently we're only interested in Instagram. So I've unticked all. So if I scroll down, okay, category also, let me just untick all. I'll untick all also here in the category section, and also influencer type. Okay, let me leave that, and let me tap on Instagram here. It's two ways. Let me tap on these two. I'm not sure. Let me see which one is better. Instagram bio and link. Then you tap on your niche. Currently my own niche is game. Let me see game, because it's gaming, but let me tap on game first. My niche is on gaming. Okay, there's nothing on game. Let me tap on gaming. Sorry, okay, it's categories under here. Sorry for that. Let me see how to bring. So currently there's no influencer like someone that will shout out my account on the gaming niche, because the gaming niche doesn't work on shout out. Okay, so one of the best niche you can go for this shout out are the fitness niche, that's the weight loss, anything related to fitness. Okay, so you can also build a content locker for that by downloading ebooks, then building a content locker. Then you can create a blogger website and create an Instagram account like this. Okay, to work really fine. So what you have to do here is you go and tap on the search, you filter here, select only Instagram, then scroll down here and you select fitness. You can see fitness here, so I selected it. So these are the people that are ready to shout out my account. So this has over 479,000 followers. Okay, so we'll settle for the one with the low amount. Okay, so it's $10. The payment is $10, but I prefer to go for this. Okay, it has 72. Let's open both in new tab, both $10, because the shoutouts are never free, because they have much followers. So they will just shout out your account for either a day or some hours. So through that method you get a lot of people checking out your profile, and majority might follow if your account looks okay and you are posting content on your account. So this is the first account here with over 427,000 followers. Okay, and also read about the description. Okay, you say note, bio link only added to shout out time, but not more than 24 hours. Okay, and these are some prices, like 2 hour shout out is $10, 2 hour shout out plus bio link, they meant to add your bio link, $12. Okay, 24 hour shout out, $15. So it depends on your money you want to use. I don't recommend people using this because people starting from fresh doesn't have money to do that. Okay, so most you can see most of our posts usually have 30,000 likes, 300,000 views. So from 300,000 views you can get more people clicking your link, and from clicking your link they are going to generate leads. So that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoy one or two things. Kindly comment below and smash the like button. Thank you. See you on Wednesday.